Kcc, delivering freshness. From the farm to your shelves, in the same freshness you have come to expect. That is what new Kcc is all about. Kcc has always been part of the Kenyan story. It is the oldest and largest dairy processor in East and Central Africa. With its sizable investment, new Kcc set out to satisfy a crucial need in the dairy industry.
The mandate of new Kcc is actually to procure raw milk from the dairy farmers across this country, which in turn we process the same milk into various different dairy products and later market the products to locally and for export.
5 years ago, we were selling our milk just to hoggers. Then I started actually selling milk to Kcc. I had to change that idea. I sold my milk to Kcc. I started with very little, that was around 50 liters. Now I'm doing 700 liters a day.
I supply over 100 liters of milk per day to Kcc. We have worked nicely with Kcc. They have provided employment to the surrounding. Like the workers I have here, they are coming from the surrounding.
Tunaendelea na Kcc vizuri. Wakunywaji wa nje wanajaribu hata kuja kwangu wakitaka maziwa sana. Lakini mimi mwenyewe nilistick Kcc kwa sababu Kcc imenisaidia.
The modernization program has given assured market for the dairy farmers. So there is a lot of interest that has been generated by this program. Hence, even the animal feed sector in this country has been stimulated and it is growing. The stability of new Kcc, the stability of the dairy industry in this country has a lot of ripple effects in the entire value chain of the dairy industry.
That being said, despite having a wide range of high-quality products and increased market share, new Kcc has taken strides to improve, to become better.
Over 300 coolers have been distributed across the country. And we believe that the post-harvest losses that farmers have been going through has been sorted by this program of provision of coolers. Now we are able to capture the evening milk and bring it up for processing. This is a noble program that we are preparing in increasing our capacity and efficiency of our processing to be able to pass the same and be able to have different products. Not only that, we also want to assure our consumers locally and for export that we produce quality products from new Kcc.
Since the modernization of new Kcc Eldoret, we are getting availability of all products easily.
I do buy every day because they are products for better quality and they are always readily available. During the dry season, the other milk was not there. I never lacked Kcc milk. So I'm really a very proud customer of Kcc products.
New Kcc's modernization plans are already underway in processing plants countrywide.
The modernization program for new Kcc started 3 years ago. And we had phase 1 of the program. We had Eldoret and the Nyahururu factories in phase 1. In phase 2, we have Sotik and Dandora factories. Phase 3, which is now currently running, is covering Kiganjo, Kitale and Mirtini factory. We've so far completed and commissioned the Eldoret factory and Sotik factory. We will be commissioning the Dandora factory, which is our largest processing facility in the Kcc networks.
And how will this modernization improve on their goal of delivering life's goodness every day?
We pride ourselves as having successfully modernized quite a number of our processing facilities, and we're still doing. This is one thing that as new Kcc, we said it has been very successful, the benefits have been huge. We've put in a total of 1 billion so far, And really what it has done is we've increased our suppliers by 40%. We were having initially 3 years ago about 55,000 suppliers, but today we are talking about almost 80. That's an increase of 40% that are supplying milk to the new KCC. The other most important thing that the modernization program has given us is the farmer payout. The farmer payout has increased in the last 3 years from 2.5 billion to 4.5 billion, and we believe at the end of the modernization program we will be able to pay farmers 6 billion annually. That is huge. That is income to the household of dairy farmers in this country. The other most important thing is direct employment. New KCC as an institution now has a workforce of almost 2,000 people who are directly depending on dairy. And about 2 million Kenyans along the value chain are actually depending on dairy in this country. That's why this institution is very critical in actually stabilizing the dairy industry, because it is very key to this economy. This modernization program it has also stimulated the growth of the dairy industry. The dairy industry is very stable in this country, and it is annually growing, maybe an average of 3 to 4% currently. And we believe that with this program, the interest that has been developed by farmers to embrace dairy once more is very critical. And it is one way of alleviating poverty in our households in this country.
And just like that, new KCC is well on its way to revolutionize the way dairy products get from the farm to your shelves. New KCC, from the farm to your shelves. Fresh. Life's goodness every day.